Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
Good.
Good. How was your day?
Good.
Good, mashallah, well done. What's your name?
Isa.
Kissa?
Isa.
Issa, good. Well done. Good. Are you ready for class?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see the page?
Yeah.
Okay. Start reading with Tawud and Tasmiyah. Say A'udhu.
Hello.
Yes. A'udhu
A'udhu
billahi
billahi
minash shaytan. Minash shaytan. Minash shaytan. Well done. Good. Minash shaytan. الرجيم. الرجيم. Well done, mashallah. Bismillah. الرحمن الرحيم. Good, well done. Sorry, first letter, what is this? This is a alif, okay?
Okay.
Alif.
Alif.
Good. Alif.
Alif.
Well done. Alif.
Alif.
Good. Alif.
Alif.
Good. Alif.
Alif.
Very good. Alif.
Alif.
Good. Alif.
Alif.
Well done. Alif.
Alif.
Good. Mashallah. Next. Second one. Ba.
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 Good. Ba.
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 Well done. Ba.
Ba.
Good. How many dot is ba? This is a one. This is a dot, okay?
No?
Ba has one dot in the bottom, okay?
Okay.
Ba. Ba. Well done. Ba. Good. Ba. Good. Ba. Very good. Ba.
Ba.